Then me hear Jeffrey with an argument, right? No.
So if you don't know what Jeffrey say, if you're a man and you touch a man body, you're gay. If you're a man and you touch a woman body, you're a batty man. In a Jamaican dialect, those two words, gay and batty man, are the same. However, I get where Jeffrey was trying to go, but I also understand why persons have an issue with it. Because in direct translation, a gay is a man who is attracted to another man. A person who is attracted to the same sex. So if you're a man and you're attracted to a woman, regardless of what you and the woman the one do, you can't be gay. But if you're going to touch human body, technically you are a batty man. You understand? So it's semantics, really and truly. But I get it. But if you don't get it, I understand why you wouldn't want to get it. But hey, conversations are fun. What are your thoughts? Drop it in the comment section, share, and let us have this conversation.
Then me hear Jeffrey with an argument, right? No.
Oh, the call Jeffrey.
Who the blood?
You're saying